Good morning, students. Previous class, we already discussed internal control chapter. Nextly, let us discuss one more content you have in that same chapter, computer system control. So nowadays, uh, the maintaining the transactions as well as books of accounts to be maintained through computer system as well as to maintaining through the database. So that database technology to be recording the whatever the day-to-day transaction. So that transaction only to be maintained with the in a systematic manner. So which can use for the technology and essentially to meet the organizational needs and goals. So now let us discuss a computer system control. Information systems have become an integral part of our day-to-day life. The increased usage of technology as its pitfalls, organization need to rely on technology for their day-to-day jobs. So whatever the technology is there, the technology basically to be maintain the information system in a day-to-day life as well as day-to-day accounting transactions, but system only to be maintained through internal audit control manner itself. Next thing you go for need for control and audit of information system. A control is a system that prevent, detect the correct unlawful event, factor influencing an information system, audit function on organization or. So when we are maintaining the information system through the computerized as well as technological based, so in an audit function, so that is the whatever the factor to be influencing that. So for example, I am maintaining the database through the computer as well as software as well as system. So that cases, what are the factor to be influencing? So that factors only later we have to discuss here. So let us go for one by one. What are the factors to be influencing in the concept of internal control system? So firstly, let us discuss effects of computer system on audit. That technology usage as an enterprises, auditor should be provide independent evaluation of business process activities recorded and reported according to the established standard or criteria. Two basic functions carried out examine these changes. So that thing only you have to be follow. Organization cost of data loss. The data is critically a resource of an organization for its present and future process and its ability to adapt and survive in the changes environment. So nowadays the organizational environmental will be changes. So that keep on changes. You have to upgrading the whatever the database of the organization. So that database you have to sometimes you have to lose. So when you are adapting the survive the changing the environment, then only it is possible. So it is not. It is one of the major impact. That is the impact only when it will be happened in the changing the environment as well as changing the scenario. The second thing, incorrect decision making. Management and operational control taken by the manager involves direction, investigation, and correctness of out of control process. So the management people also to be control over. Sometimes the management people also decision has to be considered in the database concept. Cost of computer abuse. So basically hardware or software or documentation will be the cost of computer also will be that abuse and unauthorized access. Nowadays we will be that happen that consumer crime, whatever the cyber crime, cyber theft, like these are all the things we will be the major factors to be influencing when we are maintaining the database in the technology. So that is another one factor. And next one it is value of computer hardware, software, and personnel. These are the critical resources of an organization. which has a credible impact on the infrastructure and business competitiveness. So we require more infrastructure as well as technological infrastructure as well as e-software and whatever the personal related hardware. So these are all the infrastructure most essential when we are maintaining the database as well as the day-to-day activities. So that thing also you have to consider. And the fifth one, high cost of computer error. In computerized enterprises environment where many critical business processes are performed, a data error in the entry or process would cause great damages. So the damages in the sense of a theft as well as virus, that is another one is hacking as well as, so these are all the major computer error also will be that happen. And it is also not affordable. Each and every enterprises and each and every organization people not afford because of the cost of computer will be that more in that stage. So sometimes also cannot maintain the database in the proper manner also. So we require the high security as well as storage capacity. Another one it is server. So these are all the error also will be that arise. This is one of the another one major factor. Second, next one it is maintenance of privacy. They're collected before computer, whether fear of privacy as to error behind the acceptable limit. So there is the another one major another one factors. The next thing, controlled evaluation of computer use. So that is another one basically. The controlling reliability of complex of computer system cannot be guaranteed and consequences can be destructive. So that is another one major factors to be influencing when we are maintaining the computer system. The next thing, we'll go for next concept. Effects of computer system on audit. So for example, as an auditor, to maintain the database through the computer basis. So on that situation, what are the effects to be arise? So that thing only we have to discuss. Here it is the usage of an enterprises. The auditor should provide independent evaluation of business process activity, are recorded and reported according to the established standard or criteria. Two basic functions carried out and examine these changes are. So these are all the major basic functions to be changes. So that changes only we have to consider it is the first changes to evidence collection. So here it is the evidence means whatever the proof as well as whatever the legal proof that only you have to be collecting. So how they are collecting like data retention and storage. That is the first thing. Client storage capacity may restrict amount historical data retained online readily accessible to the auditor. So here it is the majorly sometimes the client cannot be storage of the data. That storage of the data which cannot will be affordability and readily accessibility to the auditor. So that is the first three changes. Second one it is absence of input document. Sometimes also system generated transaction happen without use of any input resulting changes in audit trail. So that is the sometime also the absence how it will be that happen. As a next one, non-availability of audit trail. Whatever the system audit trail will be the not existence or due to the short time basis, a lack of availability of output or printed or hard copy or output will be that lack of facilitated. The second next one it is audit evidence criteria. A certain transaction which are generated automatically may not have a audit evidence. Some of the transaction are not generated in that scenario. Also, we will not get any evidence of any transaction. And next one it is legal issues. With increase the with increase the trading with increase the trading concept also that will be that contract like legal jurisdiction of contract parties. So these are all the major sometimes you also maintain the further whatever the legal issues also will be arise. So that is another one. Next changes to evidence evaluation. The first thing, changes to evidence collection. The evidence collection, whatever the transaction basis, you have to collect the evidence. Or changes evidence evaluation. So what you people are collected the evidence, that evidence you have to evaluate it, whether it is right or wrong, that evidence, whether it is perfect or accurately you have in that evidence. So that thing only you have to manage in the auditor. So that concept only we have also consider changes to evidence evaluation. Under that first thing, system generated transaction. They do not provide any vision to user. When they are processed, they may lead to new source of error. So sometimes the system generated transaction also sometimes you have to evaluate because of the system also sometimes error to be arise because of due to some of the lack of the technology, that reason that the error transaction also you have to be considered. And second one is automatic transaction processing. It may uses problem for auditor. Example in case of JIT, just in time of stock level falls below certain units, system automatically generate purchase order and send it to supplier without authorization from the manager. So these are all the thing you also evaluate it. These are the another one of the major evaluating the aspects. And next thing, next concept, systemic error. It means the computer programming is wrong. It will continuously give the wrong output till the connected. Sometimes also the wrong output also will be generated, that also you have to consider. And fourth one, the information system audit. So that is the system audit also you have to consider. For example, asset safeguarding, data integrity, system effectiveness, system efficiency. These are all the major things also you have to consider in the system efficiency or optimization of the information system. So that is the major output of the error will be that arise. So that reason you have to be consider these things. Thank you. Remaining we continue.